This is the Sony Alpha 7 IV camera kit, featuring a 33MP full-frame sensor, 4K 60p video, and real-time IAF. It's a high-end hybrid system. Check the link in the description for the best price. How well does the A7 IV perform for different users? With its high resolution and fast autofocus, it's excellent for portraits and events. Professional 4K 60p video and advanced features make it ideal for YouTube and filmmaking. Delivers stunning travel photos, though its size might be a consideration for light packers. Its advanced features and complex menus make it less suitable for beginners. Excels for pros, but new users face a learning curve. Does this high-end kit offer good value for its cost? It's packed with advanced features, offering strong value for a professional camera. Sony's reputation for innovation and quality builds high confidence in the brand. While competitive, similar offerings from other brands mean you should compare options. The included bundle accessories might not match the camera's quality, affecting overall value. Camera offers excellent value, but bundle accessories need scrutiny. What are the potential downsides and common complaints for buyers? The camera boasts high-quality construction, ensuring durability and reliability. The camera body is generally reliable, with few widespread defects reported. Sony provides standard manufacturer support and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Bundle accessories can be a risk. Their quality often doesn't match the main camera. The camera body is reliable, but careful review of bundle accessories is crucial. The Sony Alpha 7 IV kit is a powerful choice for serious hybrid photo and video creators. Its premium performance justifies the cost for those upgrading. However, casual users or those unsure about bundle value should consider alternatives. It's a solid buy for its target user.